In this video, you will learn how to open your webcam and capture a video. Let's import CV2. Now I'm going to make one variable video. From CV2, I will call the function video capture. Inside this, I will pass the number 0. 0 means it will automatically detect your webcam and capture your video. Then I'm going to write a while loop. While true, then this will return me two object, return and frame. In frame we will have our video. Now I'm going to call the video that we have defined above. So this one I'm calling here, and from this I'm going to call the function read. This will read our video. Then I'm going to convert this video from color into grayscale. I'll make one variable gray. Then I will pass here cv2.cvt color. Inside this I will pass our video, the variable in which our video is saved, and that variable name is frame. Then from cv2 I will call color underscore bgr. Here I have to make everything caps lock. Color underscore bgr to gray, and in the next line I'm going to write cv2.imshow because we want to display our video. And first I'm going to just pass one frame object, not object, just the name frame, the background name, and our video which is stored in this variable gray here. Now once the video is open, we also need to close our video, and for that I'm going to write one more line. If cv2.wait key is going to be 5, that means we are going to wait for 5 seconds, and then we will also write 0xff is equal to ord, and in this I will pass p. You can write any alphabet here, and then colon, and then break. This alphabet P means when you press the key button on your machine, the video will stop, it will go away. So you can use any alphabet of your choice. And then finally I will write here video dot release, and then we will destroy all the windows. cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now let us execute our code. You will see a pop-up here. I will click on this. This is a video. Now I'll show my hand. You can see it here. Now if you want to close this window, you have to press the button P. If I press here, this will destroy all the windows. Let me press it. Now you can see that the video is gone now. So that P is working like this here. If you press this alphabet P or the keyboard button P, the window will be destroyed. And if you want to see your video in original color, so instead of passing here gray, I will just pass this frame variable here. I will copy it from here and I will paste it here. Let us execute this code once again. Now you can see that this is a color video here, and you can see my hand here. So if you want to change from color to gray, you can convert it into gray, or if you want to use the color one only, then you don't need to convert it into gray color. You can simply use the original color video. And to close this window, I just need to press the keyboard P button and it will destroy all the windows. So let me press P. Now you can see that it has destroyed all the windows. This is how you can open your webcam using OpenCV, and you can capture your video and also save it. And we will see in the next video how we can save our video in different formats. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.